Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, oh wait, let me bring down the AC or the heat. I don't even know what I got going on right now. But today is the big day. I don't mean to clap, but I'm so excited. It's first thing in the morning. It's 8 o'clock and it is iPhone day. I'm so excited, y'all. So excited. iPhone 15, let's go. Let's go.
Stop it. Get some help.
Oh, okay. So this is the thing though. I have so much appointments today, but my pickup time really was for 3 o'clock. I'm hoping that I could bring y'all along with me and I'll go in the morning and Apple will, you know, let me do what I do best, okay, and get my phone and then be up out of there. I've already backed up my iPhone. This is my iPhone 14. I'm just show y'all one more last time because I'm gonna give it back. Giving it back, giving the purple back. Okay, this is the purple. If y'all haven't done so already, please check out my unboxing video for this one. I'll put the link somewhere here or even down below. But I do unboxings every year, you guys know the routine, but this time I decided to do it a little different. That's why I'm here with y'all right now, because I figured maybe I'll take y'all along with me on the journey if I don't do a full-on unboxing, or I might do both, we'll see. But exciting, like y'all don't really even know. I get so excited every year for the iPhone, because even though I do feel like the modifications are very minimal, it's still something. It's still giving me very much Christmas vibes, okay? So I love that and I'm ready for it. So I will see y'all in my next scene when I get to the Apple store and whoopty whoops.